Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in into your Chase mobile banking app. So before you start, remember you must already have registered for Chase mobile banking. So let's get started. Once your registration is complete, open the Chase application in your mobile device and you'll see two ways to log in. If you previously set up the fingerprint recognition, you can log in instantly by scanning your fingerprint. Just place your finger on the mobile sensor and you'll be logged in automatically. But if you haven't enabled fingerprint login, you can simply choose the password login option. Just like that, inside here, enter the username that you created during the registration, then enter the password. You can simply tap on show button if you want to check what you typed. You can also choose remember me or use token and then finally tap on sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged in without any issues. But if you forgot your username or password, you can tap on forgot username or password button and Chase will guide you through identity verification and help you reset your login information. And that's it. That is how you can log in into the Chase mobile banking app. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.